Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Gifs on Instagram comments. First you need to open the Instagram app and then just find some post you want to um, use Gifs. For example, this. I go to the comments and here I can see the uh, post and field for enter the message. You can just click on the gift after entering. Here you can have this button, or if you didn't have this button here, uh, just click on the field and click on the your keyboard, and in this panel we have GIF. Just click on it and here we can some GIF here, and we can send this GIF in our Instagram comments. But if you didn't have it in the keyboard and you didn't have in the next to field of the enter message, just go to your Google Play Market and using the search bar on the top right, just click on it and find the Instagram, and just update. If you have this button update, just click on it and update your Instagram app for using Gifs in your account and phone. And this all for this option of Instagram today. Goodbye.